What's up guys, my name's Danny, aka Thriftfish. I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today I am going to show you what I got in my second order from B&G Trading. So if you haven't watched my first video in which I unbox my first ever order from B&G Trading, which is a company that does liquidation, wholesale liquidation, so you can order larger quantities of maybe returned items or just shelf pulls or just liquidated items from larger retailers for reseller wholesale prices. So it's pretty popular. Neither of these boxes have been sponsored in any way or have been sent to me for free. I've paid for both of these boxes. I got like a 20% discount on both of them from finding another discount code, but other than that, I paid for both. And I want to show you this box. I wasn't going to show you this box because my second box, to me, was not nearly as good as the first box. However, it is what I ordered. So I was not able to open this box and say, oh, this isn't what I ordered. I need to email them and figure this out. No, it's what I ordered. It's just not as exciting as the first box. So I did want to make a video highlighting the wide variety of different things you can get from the same wholesale box. So both orders were pretty much identical. I ordered a 25-piece popular retailers, premier brands, so $60 plus MSRP returns. Same box both times. Like I said, if you haven't watched my first unboxing, that one was great. I had so many items in there that I listed and I love, and several have sold. And this box was just kind of like flip-flop. So in the first box I got a couple items I didn't love, and that's fine. This box was a lot of items I didn't love and just a couple I wanted to list. So I'm going to show you the items that I didn't love, but here's the thing. I still think I'm going to make money on this box. I'm going to send all this stuff that I'm about to show you off to ThredUp. Now, it's going to take a little while because processing times at ThredUp are long right now, but that's okay. I am looking to double the money I paid. Each item came out to about just under $8. So if I can get $16 for each item on ThredUp, that's going to make me happy, and I think that we can still accomplish that, especially since I can name my own prices on ThredUp as long as they take the items that I send in. And since most of these items are in great condition, and still brands that I believe ThredUp would take, question mark, I honestly kind of forget what's in this box, but I'm hopeful that this will be a successful ThredUp box. So let's just get into it. I've talked a lot. Let me show you what I got. A lot of it's like workwear or more mature workwear pieces that don't fit the style of my closet. So like this, starting off, I think this is part of a set, but this is a Lassuit skirt. It is pretty. It's got like a fun ruffle, so I do think it's going to do well on ThredUp. It's a size 6 in case anyone was wondering. Here is, so a lot of these have Macy's return tags on them, so I know a lot of these came from Macy's. This is a pair of Calvin Klein performance like cargo sport shorts. I don't know what you might, I don't know if they're like a utility short. I would wear these maybe camping or hiking or something. They're a size 2X. Again, not something I would really put in my closet, but I will not have a problem sending these to ThredUp. Next is a studded out pair of ink INC size 2, again, Macy's return, like ruched khakis? Ruched cargo utility pants? Again, ThredUp can have it. Here is a like white, I don't know, jacquard sort of American Living size 18 dress. Some of these are plus size, which is great. Maybe like a quilted texture. It's a fit and flare, cap sleeve, white dress. Here's another Lassuit woman, 16W pair of blue trouser pants with a little bit of stretch to the waist. Ooh, this is a big item. What is this? Okay, this is a DKNY size extra small. I can't tell if it's a coat or a dress, but it's something that resembles a coat, and it's pinstripe. So DKNY, not, it's pretty. I could list this in my Poshmark closet, but I'm not so sure. Here's like a gown, which I have trouble with. It's not like I couldn't sell this Jenny U collection dress, but I think sending it into ThreadUp is going to take a lot of the work off my plate, is trying to figure out how to photograph this and make it look good. And again, I just don't sell a lot of these in Poshmark, so I think I can make my money on that one for sure on ThreadUp. Here is an Anne Klein size medium little knit tank top, blue. Here is a Style & Co. size large little t-shirt. Next is a pair of Alfani size 14 stretch career pants. It's like a cream-ish color. Khaki. Oh, is this the same? I got two of the same American Living dresses. This one is a size 8, a little smaller. Shows how my attention to detail was when I first went through this box. This is a 9 West size medium white blouse. Not bad. Again, standard. I think this one's still like sort of not exactly new with tags, but nobody took off the extra button. What are you? Where's your brand tag? Oh, there it is. This is, you know what? I think I'm gonna sell these on Poshmark. Ooh, I'm so sorry. I think I'm gonna sell these on Poshmark. They're bar 3. I wouldn't pick these up, size large, but they are cute. They're a pair of cute straight wide leg pants. I think I just convinced myself to keep these and sell them on Poshmark. And eBay and Mercari, because I cross-list everything. Am I gonna keep this? This is Guess size extra small. I just don't stock a lot of Guess. It's cute. Oh, it's, yeah. Oh, uh-oh. Oh no, that's not the strap. Okay. I thought I broke it. That's, yeah, that's pretty. It's cute. I could list this, but I still think I'm gonna send it to ThreadUp. Lazy. But it's still money. Here's another Ink INC size 18W skirt. It's a skirt. Floral. Asymmetrical or drapey, I don't know. There's 2 items left in the box, and then I'm also going to tell you what I listed and what has already sold. So I won't be able to show you those in person, but I will pop a picture of the listing on the screen so you can see the items that I kept to list that are either still listed or have sold already. But first, here's a still new with tags pair of Alfani size 12 career pants. I think these might be the same as the other ones, just a darker color. And the last item of the items I'll be sending to ThreadUp is a Michael Kors blouse. It's like a little bandana poncho top thing. That's cute. I think these will all do really well on ThreadUp, but a lot of this stuff is not stuff that I'm passionate about and feel like putting the time and energy into listing. And again, it's going to take a while for me to get the payout from these, but I think that it'll be worth it for the passive income. And it'll probably be like December by the time it happens anyway, so a little cash around that time is not a bad thing. So let's move on to the stuff that I have listed. The items that are currently listed in my Poshmark closet from this last B&G box was a Treasure and Bond, which is a Nordstrom brand. It's just a V-neck sweater. It's kind of got like a raglan sleeve with a stripe on it. This one I was kind of on the fence about, but I did list it. The next item actually was a floral print ruched sleeve shirt dress from Nanette Lepore, or no, it was just Nanette. It was really pretty, so I went ahead and listed it. Again, I don't pick up a ton of Nanette Lepore, but this was a current pretty piece, so it is listed. Next was a pair of Pistola Audrey studded mid-rise skinny jeans. Yeah, cool with me. I will sell Pistola, and the last item that is still currently listed is a Rachel Roy Sophia tie front floral dress. Also current, pretty, don't mind listing it. Don't pick it up a whole lot, but I did list this piece because it was pretty. And then the items that have already sold include a pair of We the Free Jessie Carpenter denim shorts, size 30. Those sold for $25 on Poshmark. And the next was an Away at Sea striped top from We the Free, so another We the Free Free People piece, sold for $23 on Mercari. And the last item that's sold already was a Lucky Brand printed smocked like peasant boho top, and that sold for $19 on Poshmark. So that is my second B&G box. And like I said, I wasn't gonna post this because I didn't love it, and I was like, I don't want to post something I didn't love, but it's not the worst. I'm still gonna make money on this box. It just wasn't very exciting, and I think it's educational to share different experiences you can have by ordering the same exact thing. So just wanted to put it out there. Let me know if this video was helpful, if you have anything to add or want to share your experiences with B&G Trading. Go ahead and leave those in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, so I know if you did like this video. And if you like this content and you want to see more from me, it would be amazing if you hit subscribe. Thank you so much to so many new viewers and subscribers that have joined me lately. I'm so excited to have you here. It's been amazing to see the reception, and I'm looking forward to continuing to put out videos. I try to put out videos twice a week. I don't have a set schedule, but usually during the weekdays you'll see 2 videos from me. And I try to bring you a combination of hauls and what's sold and tips and tricks and anything I can think of reselling that might be helpful. So once again, thank you for joining. I hope you decide to join our little family and click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.